Hi students, welcome to this online tutoring walkthrough. Today we are tackling a fraction inside a fraction known as that is a complex rational expression as it is given here. And the domain is already given here. What? X must be different from -1, 0, 1 and 2. How can you solve this one? Using step-by-step procedures. The first step is that simplify the lowest subfractions of the denominator first. Lowest subfraction of the denominator. What is that? It is this one. 1 plus 1 over x minus 2. This means 1 plus 1 over x minus 2. You know, the LCM here is x minus 2. This becomes x minus 2 times 1 plus 1 over x minus 2. But the result, this is equals to x minus 2 plus 1 means here is x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Here one. Again, we invert here 1 over 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 becomes, second time, this becomes what? 1 over x minus 1 over x minus, which is equals x minus 2 over x minus 1. We completed this part now. But the next is that simplify the terms inside the bracket. Third case. This means 2 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 becomes, which is equal 2 minus x minus 2 over x minus 1. Again, by taking the LCM, here is x minus 1. So it becomes twice of x minus 1 minus x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Now we distribute this multiplication over subtraction in both cases, which is equals 2 times x, 2x times 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus x minus 1 times minus 2, it becomes plus 2 over x minus 1. But next, this becomes 2x minus x, takes the difference of like terms, that is x, which is equals x minus 2 plus 2, that is 0 over, it is x over x minus 1. Since x plus 0, that is the same x. Now we arrived here. Well, but the next one, after that, we insert the values. Here is x over x squared minus 1 divided by, here is x over x minus 1. Here one. When you come to here, this is equals x over x squared minus 1 times, here is x minus 1 over x. Take the reciprocal of this one. After obtaining this, what's next? It is better to factorize this x squared minus 1. Factorize this. Next step, factorize the denominator. Here is x squared minus 1 is equals to x plus 1 times x minus 1. So this implies that this shows x over x minus 1 times x plus 1, here is times, here is x minus 1 over x. But next, we cancel this x by x. We cancel this x minus 1 by x minus 1. What remains? The result becomes 1 over x plus 1. So, finally, the correct answer for this simplification becomes 1 over x plus 1. So, algebraic expression or simplification takes practice. If you have any question about any of these steps, please put your comments below. If this helped you, please subscribe, share and like, and see you in the next session. Bye bye.